Yeah, what's going on? So today's video we got by ArrestFlix, and the title of the video is Sheriff Thinks He Can Lie His Way Out of Arrest. A sheriff? Oh man, you don't see that too often. Law enforcement arresting law enforcement. Let's get into it, man.
On January 9th, 2023, at approximately 2:50 p.m., law enforcement responded to a residence in Florida following a report of domestic battery.
Hello. Good, how are you?
Sorry about my dog.
What's your name?
Kieran.
Okay, what's going on?
So my partner over there for 26 years just put
Is the dog, can you put the dog inside?
she's not going to
Not, okay, okay. What were you saying?
my service dog.
Okay.
So he put his hands on me right here. I don't know if you can see the
4142 to dispatch.
Okay.
and he put me up against the wall, and then he took my leg and threw me off the chair, and I fell down. I went into arrested.
Where is he at?
I'm right here.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, do you mind hanging out with him?
Why don't you go inside, we'll talk to him, and then we'll go inside.
What precipitated all of this?
We had a big argument last night. I don't know what it was about, but we've been together for 26 years, and we've had arguments before, but last night was not a good one. So
What time last night?
could have been around 9, 10 o'clock.
Okay. You don't know what it was about?
I can't remember, but it was just a lot of arguing and screaming and all that. And, but I didn't put my hands on him. So I went out with a friend of mine today to hang out at the bar with his dog and my dog. And I just pulled up, came in the house. He came in and I said, "Where are the keys for the car?" Because I need to go to my mother's house. So let's stay there. And and then he started videotaping. He goes, "He's coming after me, coming after me." I was like, "I ain't doing anything. Just give me the keys to the car." And
What time did you arrive home? This is just before the argument?
yeah,
Today?
well, yeah, the argument was last night.
Right.
And then so about 20 minutes ago.
Okay.
And so when I came out here,
Man, he's full of it, man. He's full of it. You know how I could tell? One, oh, we had a big argument last night. It was huge, you know. We've had fights before, but last night was just so, you know, whatever. Oh, what was it over? I don't even remember. Well, it couldn't have been that big of a fight if you don't remember what it was over. Because I know me personally, I know the big altercations that I've gotten into. I know exactly what it was over and the outcome, okay? Second of all, he's playing up this whole injury, right? Earlier, he was talking to them or whatever, and he goes like this. Ugh. Come on, are you serious? Stop faking, man. You're full of it. And then, here's the last thing. I didn't put my hands on him. Nobody said you did. Nobody even said that yet. But you just volunteered that information. Something just ain't right.
he put his hands on my neck and started to, you know, me. And then I fell, sat on the chair right there, and I started to kick.
Okay.
And he grabbed one of my legs and pulled me and fell on the floor.
Do you need to see fire department?
Nah.
Okay.
Nah.
Lower your shirt a little bit. Do you feel...
Pain right here.
Okay. When you said he grabbed your neck, what did you feel?
It was like this.
Okay, what did you feel though? I mean,
I felt like it hurt.
okay.
I'm a former cop, so, you know, I don't...
Was he choking you is what I'm asking?
Yes.
Okay. Can you describe that?
It just felt like his hand, well, it was his hands across my neck like this. I couldn't breathe.
Okay.
And then that's when I sat down there, and then he pulled my leg when I was trying to kick him off.
Okay.
And he pulled me.
Has he ever been physical? 10-4, has he ever been physical with you before?
Yeah. You know what? We've been together for 26 years,
Okay.
and I was a cop in Hawaii, and yeah, he's throwing things at me. And
When you say you guys are together as boyfriend, intimate relationship,
26
how long have
years.
you guys lived? To 26 years you lived at this location?
No,
Okay.
in Hawaii.
Okay. Okay. What's his name? Abadi. Was it Edward last name?
Abadi. A-B-A-D-I-E.
Okay. Do you have your license on you, or is it in the house?
It's in there.
Okay, just hang out then. Is he the only one in the house?
Yeah.
Edward, can you come out here for a minute? Can you just hang out on the other side of the carport? Thank you. What happened this morning?
Last night,
Yeah, so you can start off last night.
alcoholic. He's already been drinking and driving. Already wrecked our brand new Mercedes. Is that the Mercedes? That's why I have a loaner car right there. So I've been dealing with this for 25 years.
Okay.
It's just peaking now. His father passed away and all this other kind of stuff. So I knew that when I got home, I just got home from work. I work for Freedom Boat Club, Hidden Harbor. I opened up the marina this morning at 6:30. I just want to come home. So I videotaped myself exiting my car here and me entering my residence.
So this is initially when you got home.
Yeah, just now.
Okay.
I'll turn it up because I said, here we go. That's my head.
Can you switch back to?
Hi, Tab again. Hi, baby girl. He said he was going to move out and all this other kind of stuff. I have texts leading up to what you're about to see afterwards.
Okay.
So that's me coming home. My dog, my cat, everything seems to be fine. Nothing's wrecked or anything. Not saying anything. I'm taking my shoes off. He's sitting right there. He's been drinking all day, all night. Beer's okay. Once he starts drinking hards, wines and stuff, he becomes this totally other person.
Is there going to be any progression in the video?
Well, basically now what I'm doing is just making the bed. I'm just showing my state of mind as I got home.
Okay.
Okay?
So anything else
this
caught
is-
on video?
Yeah, I got
Okay.
more. Okay. So let me show you the text that he sent me this morning.
Anything else caught on video?
Yeah, I have two more.
Okay.
Okay. Here's a text. This is what he said to me this morning.
Okay.
So we've been texting all morning
Okay.
and stuff, right? It's just domestic. Okay, so the next video. So now he wants to leave. Now that I know he's been drinking all day, and I know that that's why I'm videotaping. I know he's going to want to use the car.
Okay.
Okay? So here's the video of him coming after me to use the car.
Okay, because I was about to say the point that she's trying to get at is, do you have anything on video of he putting his hands on you, or you know what I'm saying, something like that? Because we just watching a video of you taking off your shoes and playing with the dog. That got nothing to do with nothing. You know what I mean?
There he is.
I don't have any keys for you. You don't have car insurance, and you are not driving any car.
I never canceled anything.
What did he do? I mean, it's very hard.
No.
What did he do what did he reach for? What was
My
it?
phone. He took it out of my hand.
Okay.
Right? I grabbed it back
Okay.
and nudged him, and then he came after me.
Okay.
Okay? So I'm protecting myself from him, keeping him away from me. And here's a video of the aftermath once I got him onto the ground and I'm backing away from him. So I'm basically keeping him away from me. I'm sorry.
And he's trying to hurt me. So I just want to make sure that this. Yeah, I got the marks too. Yeah. I told him to stay away from me, and he thinks he's a fucking tough guy, and he thinks he's gonna lay his hands on me, and I will.
Not gonna let anybody hurt me.
Where are the keys?
You don't get keys. You have no car insurance. He's still following me.
Never canceled it.
He's still following me.
So I'm climbing over the bed to get away from him.
10-4.
I got him onto the chair, and then I pulled him off of the chair so that he would be on the ground.
I'm leaving the house. It's not a safe situation for me to be in there with him.
And that's him closing and locking the door.
Can you go back to the other video though, if you don't mind?
Which one?
The one where he reached out to
Yeah,
you?
absolutely. This one.
I don't have any keys for you. You don't have
Let me see
car
the Bevis
insurance.
movement.
You are not driving any car.
So he grabs your phone, and
Takes
then
the pull out.
what happens?
And then I grabbed it back
Okay.
and nudged him and started walking away.
Okay.
And then he came after me, and so I was keeping him away from me because he's inebriated.
Okay.
I could hurt him if I really, really, really wanted to hurt him,
Okay.
but I'm not going to do that, right? So I'm trying to keep him away from me. He's unreasonable.
How did he get the marks on his neck? With you like that? That's how you had him?
As he's coming at me, and I
Okay.
got him on that chair right there. I was able to get him maneuvered into that chair like
Okay.
that, right? And then get him down there, and then I grabbed his legs and pulled him out from underneath the chair so he would get on the ground because he was still coming at me. So
Okay.
once I was able to get him onto the ground, I could get away from him.
Okay.
So I came home fine. I was ready to ignore him
Mm-hmm.
and just move on or whatever. But he can't drive a car. He's being sued for another car accident where he was intoxicated. There's a summons in there right now, right? And then he wrecked coming back from Evie's up here, hit the curb, tore $2,000 worth of damage on a brand new Mercedes, brand new, 2022, right? It's in the shop. That's a loaner. And now he wants to take this loaner after he's been drinking. Come here. You
It's
want
okay. Hey, do you have your driver's license or in the house? Can you get it for me? There you go, sir.
But what I wanted to show you inside is he's been sitting here and there's alcohol and stuff in there already. So it's not like, and I heard him say that he'd been drinking all morning. I guess he said to the operator or whatever.
Okay. All right.
I have a car. And this is my home.
Just hang out here. Okay.
Thank you.
So you said your license was in there? Or okay, what's your first name?
Keiron. Keiron.
Keiron.
Last name is Pratt. Pratt.
Do you have a middle initial?
B.
What is your date of birth? Phone number?
Channel 14. All it can probably be handled over the phone.
Okay. So I'm sure you've been standing here the entire time. He was showing me a video.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay. What prompted you to reach out to him and grab him, though?
Possibly violating.
I did.
Yeah, you did. It's on the video.
By drinking.
Okay.
So why'd you feel the need to do that?
They try to call the
He's a
Okay, but how long were you in the?
Yeah, see, now you lying. I knew he was full of it from the very beginning. What prompted you to reach out and grab him? He says, I didn't. She says it's on video. Now he has an excuse to why he did it. You're full of it, man. I knew he was full of it when he was like, oh. Come on, man.
Enforcement in Hawaii?
20 years.
Okay, I mean, so doesn't that mean you would be the primary aggressor at the time? Because you made it physical. You touched him first.
They've got a name of the person.
Negative.
It's unclear where
It's
they're
on video,
located.
though.
I think they're just saying.
Okay, how much have you been drinking today?
I had like 2 beers.
A little bit more than that.
Why?
2 beers and how much alcohol? How much liquor?
I don't drink liquor.
Just
2
beers?
Yes.
Okay.
And he's been smoking his.
Okay. Well, I mean, we're not here for that, so.
But I don't have any kind
Right,
of
you're here for
unit number or
what
anything,
he
just
did
name of
right
the-
here.
But you grabbed him first. Here,
I
put your hands
didn't-
behind your back. Put your hands behind your back,
I
Karen.
didn't grab
Put your
him.
hands behind your back.
Listen,
Let go. Let go of the. Here, put your hands behind your back.
I did not grab him first.
Contact your terminal. It's a 13 person. Reference somebody that was breaking supervisory. rules
Stop.
By drinking
I'm
alcohol.
not giving him.
Here. You got to relax. Relax your elbows because they're going to bother you. All right?
6106, 1074.
Give us a sec. We'll be in and talk to you in person.
Dispatch 6103, 6106, 1074. Dispatch 6104, 6108, 1074.
10-4.
10-4.
Are you searching?
What type of officer was he if he don't know whoever touches whoever first is the primary aggressor? Or coming at him in an aggressive manner, you know what I mean.
Just gonna poke you or stick you.
He was taken to jail and was charged with simple battery.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.